Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Faith, and in this video I'm going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing the XAMPP software. And this is the software that would allow us power our WordPress local development environments, because it provides us with a server, which is Apache, and a database, as well as the PHP software itself and other modules that is needed to run WordPress successfully. So depending on your OS, okay, you have to enter this URL in your browser to get here. I'm also going to drop the link in the description for easy access. So once you get on this page, you're going to see the same information as this. And here is the XAMPP download section for Windows, for Linux, and for macOS. So depending on your operating system, you download the one for your operating system. So I'm using Windows, and I recommend that you download this version of the latest version here, which is PHP 8.1.6. You can see it for other operating system as well. So I'm going to go ahead and download this particular one. So click on download. Okay, so the download is going to start automatically. So I'll save it into a folder. Okay, so I'll be saving it here. You can rename it if you want. It's currently downloading, and in a minute it's going to finish downloading. It has finished downloading, and we can proceed to installing it. You can click on open file from here, or you can go to the folder it was downloaded into, which is this one, and double click on it to start the installation process. So once you double click on it, it will prompt you that you want to allow it, so just click on yes. I just did that now. Okay, it said because unactivated. Okay, so next, ensure these modules are selected, then click on next again. So ensure you are installing XMPP in your root folder, that is the root folder of your computer. So this is the root folder of my computer. If it's not the one selected, ensure you click on this and select the root folder. Let me show you how to go about that. So this is the root folder local disk. So select that and click on select folder. Okay, I think it already created a folder for it. Okay, so entering XMPP here is going to create XMPP folder inside this directory. Then click on next, select the language English here, next. Can untick this, click on next, and the installation process will start. So the installation process is going to take some minutes. I'm going to pause the video while it's installing. Right now, XAMPP has finished installing, and we can launch the control panel. As you can see, just mark this and click on finish. Okay, so here's the XAMPP control panel, as you can see from here, and I recommend that you pin it to your taskbar. So just right click and click on pin to taskbar, because you'll be needing this control panel each time you want to access, you want to make up the XAMPP software. So one of the advantages that XAMPP gives you is that it allows you to develop WordPress websites locally. So instead of you purchasing web hosting from a web hosting company like Bluehost and getting domain name to start your development process, you can just develop it locally and do everything. Then once you are done, you can now purchase hosting and move it over to a live server. So anything you do, anything you develop locally here is only accessible to you. It's not accessible to anyone in another location. The website will live on your computer, the server and everything. So that's how the XAMPP work. And the next video, I'll be walking you through the process of downloading WordPress and setting it up on XAMPP. Okay, this is the end of the video, and this video is part of the lessons of Learn Web Design with Faith Kade. So if you are interested in this training where I'm teaching how to build and design blogs and simple business websites, you can join the training via the link I'm going to drop in the description. So you can join us and connect with other students of this training. So that's it for now. Bye.